So I come in here last night and got the board attached. Geez, that looks extremely bright, doesn't it? I got the board attached. I just propped it up on this other piece of board just so I could screw it into place. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew it and I'm going to paint the whole thing white. And I've got a few brackets there as well, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to install a few little shelves. I'm not entirely sure where, but I'll get the whole thing painted and then I'll decide. I've gained a few new subscribers, which I'm pretty pleased about. I'm subscribing back to anyone that subscribes to me. And I'm also trying to do my best to reply to most of the comments. So I've just set up a little plastic drop sheet here in the garage, just so I don't spill any paint. And well, I don't have any paint brushes, but I do have like a little sponge, I guess you'd call it, for washing dishes. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to soak that in paint and just rub it on. I guess it can't work too bad, and as long as the paint's covering the board, I don't really care. So that whole sponge and the paint technique worked absolutely amazing. It took probably 5 minutes max time to do the whole sheet. Yeah, much more easier than a paintbrush. I just went round in circles. So that should be dry in no time.